Today I am reviewing the ACEMAGIC 2025 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of this laptop, the AMD Ryzen 750-700U processor is an absolute workhorse. Featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, and clock speeds up to 4.3 GHz, this CPU delivers impressive performance for gaming and productivity tasks. Whether you're diving into AAA games or running multiple applications side by side, the Ryzen 7 ensures everything runs smoothly with minimal lag or stutter. You'll experience fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and excellent responsiveness. The kind of performance that lets you focus on what matters without interruption. Paired with this processor is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. This is a solid amount of memory for today's gaming and creative needs. And ACEMAGIC goes a step further by allowing you to upgrade that RAM all the way up to a whopping 64 GB. The kind of future-proofing means your laptop can grow with your needs, handling even more demanding workloads down the line. Storage-wise, the 512 GB M.2 NVMe SSD offers fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and plenty of room for your favorite games, media, and projects. Plus, you have the option to expand storage up to 2 TB, so you won't be worrying about running out of space anytime soon. Now let's talk about the display. The ACEMAGIC 2025 boasts a 16.1-inch IPS screen with a high refresh rate that delivers crisp, vibrant visuals. The wide color gamut and sharp detail make gaming environments, videos, and even work applications look stunning. Colors are vivid, images are clear, and fast-moving scenes stay smooth thanks to the high refresh rate, making your gaming and streaming experiences all the more immersive. Connectivity is another strong point of this laptop. With multiple USB 3.2 ports, an HDMI output, and a full-function Type-C port, you're well covered for connecting external displays, storage devices, or gaming peripherals. The built-in webcam is perfect for video calls or streaming, and the backlit keyboard adds a touch of style, while also making late-night gaming or work sessions easier on your eyes. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 ensures you get blazing fast internet speeds that are up to 3 times faster than older Wi-Fi 5 standards, keeping you connected with minimal latency, a critical feature for online gaming. One of the unique highlights of the ACEMAGIC 2025 is the company's customer support. You get a full 12-month repair warranty and unlimited technical support, which is reassuring for buyers who want peace of mind. Whether you run into hardware issues or have questions about your laptop, ACEMAGIC promises to stand behind their product and help you out promptly. In summary, the ACEMAGIC 2025 gaming laptop offers an excellent mix of power, display quality, and expandability, all wrapped up in a sleek design with gamer-friendly features like a backlit keyboard and Wi-Fi 6. Its AMD Ryzen 7 processor and Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics handle gaming and multitasking with ease, while the upgrade options for RAM and storage ensure that this laptop stays relevant for years to come. For anyone seeking a reliable gaming and productivity machine in 2025, this laptop is a compelling contender worth considering.